Hi, I am Gail Bauer, your friendly neighborhood e-learning developer wizard, and today I am breaking in iSpring Cloud and showing you how I actually use it to enhance my work. We hear it all the time. AI is replacing everything. I see threads about it constantly, and honestly, for a lot of industries, that can be true. But I can only speak from my own experience, and what I have seen is that AI is most powerful when you are directing it, not the other way around. My value as an instructional designer is mine. My thinking, my process, my decisions, that is not something I am handing over to any tool. This video walks you through building courses with AI, generating quizzes, translating entire courses, collaborating with your team, and publishing a real portfolio. I'll show you every click along the way. I am building a course on onboarding for a professional company. I have notes from a real SME interview, and we are going to put them to work. I have a lot of notes here, and that is intentional. AI is only useful if you direct it and manage it. I have seen it work with shorter notes, but that just means more cleanup on your end later. The more you give it to work with, the better your starting point. Before we get started, here's a quick recap. From the iSpring main dashboard, you'll begin by creating a new project. Once the project opens, give it a clear and descriptive name that matches the content you'll be building. Feature 1, generate a course with iSpring's AI tool. I will be honest, when I first saw that generate course with AI button, something in me pushed back a little. It felt like it was taking something from me, but let's see what actually happens. I am dropping my notes into the AI generator. What it walks you through next is actually aligned with real instructional design thinking, starting with course details. This screen should feel familiar if you have ever worked from a design document. You will review your learning objectives here. You can delete them, add to them, adjust them. The AI gave you a starting point. You still need to lead. Now here is a feature I really appreciate as someone with a background in graphic design. The custom style feature sets the tone and the feel of your entire training. Since I am building an onboarding course, I am going to choose something professional and welcoming. Additional details can be added, such as the type of knowledge checks you want. Then create outline, just like you would as the instructional designer. Review your course outline, make any edits manually, or use the Edit with AI button on the top of the page. Finally, let's generate your course draft. It only takes a few minutes. When it opens, you have a full course in editor mode. The left side of your screen is your course outline, organized to the specs you set. Let's start with a quick tour of the iSpring dashboard. Think of this as your course building home base. Over the next few features, we'll take a closer look at some of its key features. If you ever get lost while exploring your course, you can always use the interactive course outline on the left to find your place. We'll build our content with the page editor, use AI outline to jumpstart course creation and editing, translate content into multiple languages, collaborate with teammates, and export everything as a SCORM package when you're ready to publish. For now, just get familiar with the layout. We'll explore each feature step by step. Feature 2, editing with AI in iSpring's editor platform. One of the easiest things to forget when using AI in iSpring is that you need to select the text or content block you want to edit first. When you click inside a content block, the editing toolbar appears at the bottom of the page. From here, you can add media, tables, interactions, and access the built-in AI tools. To open what I like to call the page editor toolbar, simply highlight the text you want to edit. Once you've done that, you'll have access to a variety of AI-powered features, including improving your writing, generating images, creating voiceovers, and even manually customizing your text formatting. My favorite feature is Generate Image, and I'll show you how that works in just a minute. But first, let's see how AI can help make your writing clearer, stronger, and more engaging. To edit your content with AI, simply highlight the text you want to work with and click AI. Let's make this section a little longer. As soon as you select the option, iSpring AI immediately starts generating new content. Within seconds, you'll have an expanded version that you can keep as is, regenerate, or continue refining until it sounds exactly the way you want. Now, this section feels a little too text-heavy, so let's break it up with an AI-generated image. This is easily one of my favorite iSpring AI features. Watching the image generate in real time is impressive. And even better, iSpring automatically creates a prompt based on your selected content. That saves a ton of time and makes it incredibly easy to create visuals that actually match your lesson. You can also choose from a variety of visual styles. There are plenty of options available depending on the look you're going for. I'm going to select a vector illustration because I want this graphic to have the feel of an infographic. And there it is, a clean, professional illustration generated by iSpring AI. I'll click Insert to add it to the course. Once the image is in place, you can delete the text that was used to generate it, leaving you with a more engaging and visually appealing lesson. Featured 3, interactive quiz building with iSpring's AI. Originally, I was only going to show you one way to create quizzes, but the more you use iSpring, the more you'll discover there are often multiple ways to accomplish the same task. With AI at your fingertips, you don't have to backtrack or worry about finding the right path. Instead, you can explore the options and choose the workflow that works best for you. In this lesson, I'll show you 2 different ways to create quizzes, so let's jump in. When iSpring built the course, it placed knowledge check questions based on the objectives you set at the beginning. They are organized in a standard way, but they need your attention before they are ready. Highlight the questions and a pop-up gives you the ability to generate more questions based on your content and objectives. Still your job to proof them and make sure they are actually aligned to your course goals. When you hit continue, you have a few choices. Add to a new exercise, add to an existing quiz or exercise, or keep it as a standalone quiz for that module. iSpring will place the quiz box right inside your course, where you can edit questions, add pictures, or choose other engagement types like drag and drop. Once you're sure of everything, delete the original questions so they do not show up. Now let's say your module doesn't have any knowledge checks. Maybe AI didn't add one, or maybe you forgot to ask. Either way, it's easy to fix. Just place your cursor where you want the quiz to appear, usually at the end of the lesson, and you're ready to add one. After adding the title, highlight the entire section. On a Mac, it is Select All. Then in Page Editor toolbar, select AI, then Generate Questions. Let AI generate the number of questions that make sense for your course, and make sure they align with your learning goals. Then click Continue, followed by Add New Quiz, just like before. The quiz will appear exactly where you placed your cursor, ready to customize. Feature 4, using iSpring's translation. This might be one of the coolest features I've found in iSpring. Right from the top ribbon, you can choose from over 70 languages and translate your entire course in just a few minutes. iSpring creates a separate copy of your course right inside your project folder. Would I still have a native speaker review the final version? Absolutely. AI translations can sometimes miss context or grammar nuances, but as a starting point, this feature saves an incredible amount of time. Wait to run translation until you have collected all your feedback and revisions. I wouldn't translate a draft. Speaking of feedback and revisions, Feature 5, iSpring's built-in collaboration tools. iSpring has a built-in collaboration feature that lets you bring in your SME, managers, or stakeholders. They can comment directly on the course document, and if you give them permission, they can do editing too. No email chains, no downloading files, no confusion about which version is current. This really creates a smooth process. Feature 6, exporting. This bonus feature brings everything full circle. Once your course is complete, it's time to explore your project files. Here's a quick look at where everything is stored and how to find what you need. When you're ready to publish, head up to the Export button in the top ribbon. iSpring gives you several export format options, so you can choose the one that works best for your needs. From there, your course is ready to upload to your LMS. Featured 7, iSpring's portfolio feature. If you've followed me for any amount of time, you know I have a real passion for job coaching. Right now, you're watching me fill out my information using iSpring's portfolio feature. If you're an instructional designer, you already know how much a strong portfolio can impact your career. This feature gives you an easy way to showcase your work and stand out from the competition when you're applying for your next opportunity. iSpring's built-in portfolio is featured right on the main dashboard, and I think it's one of its most underrated tools. Creating a portfolio is simple. Just give it a name, add a description, and create a write-up for each project. You can explain the challenge, your goals, your process, and the results, giving viewers valuable context behind your work. What I really like is that iSpring hosts the portfolio for you. There's no need to build a separate website, pay for hosting, or manage broken links. But the biggest advantage is that your portfolio showcases your actual interactive iSpring projects. Instead of looking at static screenshots, employers and clients can click through your courses and experience your work exactly as it was designed. That's a powerful way to stand out. iSpring Cloud packs in a lot: AI course building, smart editing, translation, team collaboration, exporting, and a portfolio that actually works. The features are genuinely useful, and more importantly, you stay in control of every decision. That is what I care about. The tool works for you, not the other way around. Thank you for watching. I am Gail Bauer. Please subscribe to my channel or follow me on social media. More clicks coming. Learn more about iSpring by clicking the link in the comments section of this video.